Right, so we've done 4,000 geocaches here in Dinan, France. Finally got there, and the kids have got ice cream to celebrate. Lewis is not even looking. I'll put that bit out. Hi everyone, and welcome to today's upload, which is from Dinan in Brittany, France. So you're going to find this upload less edited than normal, due to the fact that we met up with our friends from Guernsey. They don't particularly like being on screen, so you won't see them on screen. However, you will hear me chatting away. As you know, I do love a good natter. So I hope you enjoy it, everyone. Please hit that thumbs up.
Don't know
what that means.
But there's 4 primary schools it's quite big, yeah.
So you probably never know that, were they? You'd walk through town and never come round there.
Yeah, you wouldn't. It's just one section, look.
Oh yeah.
So we just got to find a way in.
Might not be it. Oh, it's here. It's saying it's here. Just have a look then.
There you go. Is this what you do? You just film walking down the street and stick it on?
Well, usually I'd just be doing geocaching, you know. I'd want to walk around town. Anything cool I find, I'll film it. Is it like a birdhouse?
I'm assuming it's going to be, because it's not really it's not waterproofing.
No. Oh, that's cool.
Far away, aren't they?
Hello. I don't like it. It's too steep.
It's not very high, though.
Is there any bomber quite ice cream truck?
And we sat down at this bench, and this vicar come over to me, and she looks at me straight away, and she comes over. She goes, "Oh," she goes, "Hello." We found that one. Alpha found it. Well done.
Where all the other ones are suspended.
Yeah. They have events on all the time. I don't think we've been here, you know. She'll keep saying we have, but I don't think we have. I don't think we have.
Everyone's been to Dean. You've been here about 50 times.
It's been found. Oh my God, it's not been found. Oh God, yeah. I remember them days.
What you get there at this one? Right, so we've done 4,000 geocaches here in Dinan, France. Finally got there, and the kids have got ice cream to celebrate. Lewis is not even looking. I'll put that bit out.
Outside while he goes in.
Yeah, you've started getting a bit. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the upload today. It's just a little snippet really of what Dinan is all about. Highly recommend you visit if you are in Brittany. So yeah, we'll see you again in the next one, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.